But yeah, just wanted to spend some time with you guys because it's fun to always talk about data science. And as you all know, we do the morning roll call, the global roll call, as soon as we start off. So Rohan once again has understood the assignment. He has gone ahead and told us where he's from. So please go ahead and introduce yourself and let me know where you're from. I love hearing where everybody is because I love traveling, so I love seeing what a global community we're building here. I'm really happy to see everybody joining us today. And by the way, speaking of communities, I want to show you guys the Discord community that we've managed to build. I'm so happy that people are really, taking to the community and joining us there, really having some good discussions. So if you haven't joined us already, feel free to do so. The link is in Instagram on my highlights. Really great discussions where people are posting different things, different thoughts. 54 people have already joined, something like that, which is way more than I thought. So yeah, come join us, come talk.